Good morning to all. My name is Shanti. I am going to deal analog communication subjects. Today I will give you the basic contents that are present in analog communication systems. So first of all, let me know what is meant by system. System is nothing but a setup or a step-by-step procedure we call it as. Okay, in order to perform a specific task, we have to follow certain rules and regulations. That is termed as systems. As we know, communication means sharing of information. Okay. From what to what? Sharing of information from sender to receiver or from source to destination is termed as communication, we call it as. Coming to the analog communication, the name itself specifies analog means continuous. Okay, so we are dealing with the continuous signals. In order to transfer the information from one point to another point, as we are transferring the analog signals, okay, there will be a difference between the signals. Different signals will be available. Among that, we basically concentrate on analog and digital. Now, coming to the analog signals, which are continuous in nature, we call it as. Okay, what is meant by continuous in nature? The waveform that is represented for analog signal is sine wave. Mostly, we will represent with sine wave, which is continuous signal. Okay, now continuous signal specifies that it consists of certain characters, like it consists of the amplitude, frequency, and phase. Okay, these are nothing but the characteristics of a continuous signal. Now, analog communication system deals with the continuous signals. Okay, today as we know that communication is an integral part of our daily life. It is difficult to imagine life without a telephone. Telephone is a continuous signal. That is whatever we are using is analog signals, we call it as. So in order to transfer the information from one point to another point, we are using a technique which is known as communication, we call it as. Okay, now what does a basic communication system consist of? The basic communication system consists of transmitter and receiver. In order to communicate between these two, there exists a channel. Channel is nothing but a medium, we call it as. Okay, now what is the function of transmitter is it transmits the signal. Receiver, it receives the signal. What type of signal, what type of things that will be done will be learned in your coming chapters, coming sessions. Now, what is the function of transmitter? Okay, transmitter is a device which is used, it can be used as a transducer, okay, which converts from one form to another form. Transmitter is a device where we are converting from one point to another point. So in order to convert from one point to another point, we will have different techniques. Okay, the transmitter part, it acts as a transducer, we call it as. Transducer means converting from one point to another point. Converting from one to other. That is one form to another. Generally, a sound signal is converted into electrical signal, an electrical signal is converted into sound signal, or whatever the words, okay, whatever the things that you want to transmit will be converted into one form to another form at a transmitter part. The basic need of converting from one point to another point at a transmitter part is all the signals whatever you are generating are electromagnetic waves. Either it should be electrical in nature or magnetic in nature, or it should be a combination of electromagnetic waves. In order to maintain these, you have to convert from one form to another form. So at the transmitter part, what we are doing is we are converting into electrical in nature. At the receiver part, this electrical signal is converted into original signal. So in between the transmitter and the receiver, you are having channel. The function of channel is it acts as a path in order to transmit the information from transmitter to receiver. Now, what actually transmitter and a receiver along with the channel will do? Okay, you are having a transmitter, you are having a receiver. In between these two, one second. In between these two, you are having channel. Okay, channel. There exist two types of channel. They are guided and unguided, we call it as guided and unguided. Okay, so what is mean by guided and what is mean by unguided? Okay, guided media specifies that a physical path exists between a transmitter and a receiver, whereas unguided specifies that no physical path exists between a transmitter and a receiver. So what happens is, while we are transmitting the information from one point to another point, if you want to communicate through satellite communication, you cannot make a physical path between two systems.